Aloha y'all, Daniel Aaron here, your guide to vibrant living with part 2 or part 1, depending which way you watch it, of Superfood Cacao Bliss drink, which to me is just one of the fundamental, most essential parts of a good, vibrant life. Not all food is created equal, and when it comes to making a smoothie, not all liquids are created equal. You could use, for your smoothie, or in our case, our superfood cacao drink, you could use water. You could use oat milk, soy milk, whatever kind of milk you want. You could use any kind of liquid. You could make tea, whatever you want. To me though, why not bring the maximum potency into it? So what I do, what I use as the base for mine, here's the finished product, right? It's a liquid, very liquidy, low viscosity is what I'm saying, that is made with a bunch of medicinal superfoods. Now, one of the cool things about this is you can customize for yourself. How do you want to feel? Are there any conditions you're dealing with in your body, right? Because if you use tulsi, or you use rosemary, or you use ginseng, or you use ashwagandha, or you use amla berry, they all have different effects. And now my purpose here is not to go into a discourse on herbal medicine. Purpose here is just to let you know the basics of how you can do it. I'll share with you what I use, and then you can choose how you want to do it for yourself. So what's cool about herbal medicine, I lived overseas for a long time, so I say herbal. Feel free to say herbal. American, tomato, you got it. So the great thing about herbs is they have a lot of potency, a lot of value, and you can extract the medicine from them, but with using warm water, hot water, and with not really hot water, but medium hot water over a longer period of time, you get the maximum integrity of the herbs and the maximum benefit. So what I do is I use the old Instapot. Years ago I used the crock pot. And all of these kind of things have, whatever they call it, some kind of slow cook process. And I literally will use it for 8 to 12 hours when I do this. So real simple, fill this, I put this about half full with warm water, and then I start adding in the herbs that I use. This here is a high quality organic turmeric, highly recommend that. So the way I do it is I make a concentrate, and I'll do in here, let's see what that is, 2/3 full, it doesn't say, I don't know, it's got to be 4 quarts, something like that. I will make probably 8 to 10 servings of my drink in it. So I literally will put a big tablespoon of turmeric for each serving. Put that in. Next up for me, amla. That's a Indian or Hindu type berry that is high in vitamin C. Really inexpensive, really beautiful to use, great quality. Ginger powder, even better. I'm lazy, but you could be better and use fresh ginger. Here I got ashwagandha, right, which is known as Indian ginseng. You could use that. That's more of a masculine one, though plenty of women use it. Medicinal mushrooms, we got reishi mushroom here. We've got lion's mane, chaga. Oh, my cordyceps are missing. I must need to replenish those. So I put all of those in there. Then the cherry on the top is not a cherry, it's a goji berry. I'll show you what that looks like in case you're not familiar. Goji berries come, can you see that all right? They come dried typically, and personally I don't like them. It's like to eat them. So one of the best ways of getting the medicine out of them is to, again, slowly extract, and that's what I do in the same way. Put all of that together, cap it off, run it for whatever, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, whatever's convenient. Don't make it a big deal. Make it fit into your life. Don't get uptight about it. And then what I do is I take that out, let it cool down a little bit, and I pour it into, whatever, some kind of receptacle like this, stir it up a little bit, and then I pour it into receptacles like this, put those into the fridge, when it comes time to make my superfood chocolate drink, which it just about is, I will take this out of the fridge, pour in maybe a third of this, that's what I figure is about one dosage, one drink's worth, into a saucepan, heat that up a little bit, and then it goes into the blender with the cacao and the other superfood drink elements. And you can refer to the video that's linked in the description here for that part if you wish. And again, beautiful thing about this is you can customize it yourself. You know, do a little search on the internet for medicinal herbs. Think about what you want. Just do a scan through top 10, top 20, top 50 medicinal herbs. You can order all of these things online quite easily. I like to get them in bulk. I often share them with clients and friends, so I buy them in wholesale form. You can get them in all kinds of places in different formats. This is for a super high quality, super potent drink, this is a very cost-effective way of doing it. You could buy pre-made mixes that have all these things in it. Nothing wrong with that. That's an easier way of doing it. You just pay a significantly higher amount for it. And personally, I like doing it this way because I blend it myself, I feel it myself. I feel more involved in the process and I feel like I get more out of it that way. All right, y'all, I hope that was useful, fun. If so, please like, share, subscribe so we can invite more people into our world of vibrancy. Thanks, y'all. Aloha.